Okay, I thought I'd show you how I clean these high windows using the scrubber squeegee. As you can see, I can scrub with it, with that scrubbing sleeve. It holds enough water to wet down this glass. And as you can see, I'm scrubbing sidewards. I'm using 18-foot fiberglass pole, and here, see, I just flip and squeegee now sidewards, and about there there's a little bit of mess there, bird poop, and I scrubbed it with a scrub, flipped it, squeegeed again, then around, squeegee the other way, round. And you can do this because the angles are I've set the angle so you could do it at that height. That's the beauty when you've got angle adapter. That way you can adapt the angle to the pole, to the glass, if you know what I mean. And well, that's about it.